I think it's really important for the customer to understand the use of technology. And the word we use is transparency. We're showing you what we do. We're not afraid of what we do. We're showing you what we found. We're showing you what we're doing when the work is completed, so you know. So transparency is the word that I typically use. It depends on the customer. You know, I've had people say, well, you use video and technology because you don't trust your own people. No, that's not true. We use it to enhance and make our techs better. What did they do? Did we send them out there to do a full check of the piece of equipment or just find the issue? You know, if we wanted them to do a full check and all they did is went to the first thing that they found and stopped, they didn't do the full scope of work that the customer requested. We need to go back to them and educate them and teach them to go do it. Otherwise, we don't have any, all they gotta do is say, yeah, I looked at everything. Well, we don't know that. So you use the video to kind of help that, you know. Video is really good on really old pieces of equipment where the model and serial number may be gone. We spoke on an oven yesterday, it's 32 years old. There's nothing left on that oven that you can pull from. The video though helps get the information back to the parts department and the people to figure out what that is, to give you a shot at trying to find, you know, what the make is and the old model number and stuff like that. So you use it for that as well, you know. So sometimes you have to explain to the customer what you're trying to do and what are the reasons for it, and then you show them what the benefits are.